Hello to everyone. In this video, I'm going to solve a problem from trigonometry. That is, if a sin square x plus b cos square x equals to c, b sin square y plus a cos square y equals to d, and a tan x equals to b tan y, then prove that a square by b square equal to d minus a into c minus a by b minus c into b minus d. Okay. So from these given, we have to prove this, no? So first, take these two equations. A sin square x plus b cos square x equals to c, and b sin square y plus a cos square y equals to d, right? So here, to get the solution, what I am trying to do is we are having one identity, that is sin square x plus cos square x equals to 1, or here you can put theta y anything. So from that, what you can say, sin square x equals to 1 minus cos square x, or cos square x is equals to 1 minus sin square x, right? Okay. Now what I am doing is, once I am substituting in place of sin square x this, okay, this, and once I am substituting cos square x equals to this. Let us see that while doing you can understand what I am doing. So a sin square x plus b cos square x equals to c. Here, substituting cos square x is equals to 1 minus sin square x, right? So what you will get, a sin square x plus b into 1 minus sin square x equals to c, right? So a sin square x plus b minus b sin square x is equals to c, and in these two you are having sin square x common. So sin square x into what you will get, a minus b, this comes, plus b equals to c. So sin square x into a minus b equals to c, this comes other side, it becomes minus, so c minus b. So sin square x is equals to c minus b by a minus b. This is one thing, right? Next, coming to this equation, b sin square y plus a cos square y. Again cos square y means 1 minus sin square y, just here letter changed, equals to d, and b sin square y plus a minus a sin square y is equals to d. So in these two you are having sin square y common, right? So sin square y b minus a plus a equals to d. So sin square y into b minus a equals to d minus a. Then what is sin square y? D minus a by b minus a, right? These are the part of solution which is used to prove this particular thing. Okay. So after this, I am considering again the two equations, a sin square x plus b cos square x is equals to c. Now substituting sin square x is equals to 1 minus cos square x, right? So a into 1 minus cos square x plus b cos square x is equals to c. A minus a cos square x plus b cos square x equals to c. So this becomes, in this both you are having cos square x common. So what left? b minus a. b minus a equals to c minus a, and cos square x is equals to c minus a by b minus a. Okay. Now again the next equation, b sin square y plus a cos square y equals to d. So in the place of sin square y you have to substitute 1 minus cos square y. 1 minus cos square y plus cos square y equals to d. b minus b cos square y plus cos, here a cos square y equals 2d, and b, in this 2 you are having cos square y common, plus cos square y common. So what left? A minus b equals to d. So cos square y into a minus b equals to d minus b. Okay, next what more is given? A tan x is equals to b tan y, right? What we have to prove actually? A square by b square. So from this equation we must get a minus b equals to tan y by tan x. But we know tan y is sin y by cos y by like that. So sorry, a by b is equals to sin y by cos y whole by sin x by cos x, and which is equals to sin y by cos y into cos x by sin x. But what we have to prove? A square by b square. So squaring both sides. Let us do what? It in the next page. A by b equals to what we got? Sin y by cos y into cos x by sin y. Now squaring both sides. Okay. What you will get? A square by b square is equals to sin square y by cos square y into cos square x by sin square x. Okay, so for these what are the values we got? Let us see it. A square by b square is equals to sin square y. Where is sin square y? This one. D minus a by b minus a. D minus a by b minus a whole by what is cos square y? Cos square y is, here I didn't do it. So cos square y equals to d minus b by a minus b. D minus b by a minus b. D minus a by a minus b. Okay, into cos square x is c minus a by b minus a. C minus a by b minus a whole by what we want? Sin square x. Sin square x is c minus b by a minus b. C minus b by a minus b. So what you will get? A square by b square is equals to d minus a by b minus a into a minus b by d minus a, right? Okay, into what is c minus a? Okay. So here what you will get? C minus a by b minus a into this reciprocal you will get, that is a minus b by c minus b. Okay, so a square by b square is equals to d minus a by b minus a. This in this if you take minus common, it becomes b minus a by d minus b into c minus a by b minus a into minus, if you take common, minus b by a by c minus b. B minus a, b minus a, b minus a, b minus a cancel. So a square by b square is equals to d minus a into, this is multiplied for the denominator, what you will get? b minus d into c minus a by, this becomes b minus c. Okay, therefore a square by b square is equals to d minus a into c minus a by b minus d into b minus c. Okay? Understood? Understood? If you have any doubts, specify that in the comment section.